Hello everyone, I am Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. This is the part 3 of recycling of coasters. So if you haven't watched part 1 and part 2, go and check it out. I will leave the link in description box below. In this video, I will do distress painting to give an interesting look to an old coaster. There are various ways to do distress painting, but I will be showing you the way I find easy. So put a tape in between coaster just to roughly demarcate the two sides. Now since I am doing this behind the decoupage coaster which I showed you in my previous video, I will keep the base dark blue. Also I feel that preparing the base with dark shade first helps in distressing easily. Now remove the tape and paint this with teal color. Now keep building the teal color roughly, and once it is dried, I will do the same thing with pink color. So the idea behind the process is to layer dark color on base and light color on top. So whatever colors you are using, layer them from dark to light. Also paint roughly. If dark colors are peeping here and there, then that's absolutely fine. We want that look only. Keep building the colors till you feel satisfied with the final outcome. The best part of distress painting is that if you are painting multiple pieces, they don't have to look identical. That's how they look. To make it little bit more complete, I will paint the border unevenly like this. I sprinkled little blue glitter when the paint was wet. You can skip this step totally. This is how they look after completion. Do not forget to varnish it with fixative spray. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.